Good morning, students. Last class I taught you horizontal line, vertical line, slanting line and curved line. Okay, are you clear about these lines? Okay, next see this conversation. The teacher blindfolds one of the students and asks him or her to take an object and identify the objects by asking questions based on the properties as follows. Okay, see mom. Blindfolding means what? See, this is blindfolding. Okay, கண்கட்டி விளையாடுதல். See the conversation. Teacher said, is the object in your hand flat or round? Okay, see this picture. There are 4 students. Okay, she has one object. Okay, so she has what? Rubik cube. Okay, yeah. So what she do? She fold her eyes. Okay, after touch the object and say this is flat or round. See this picture carefully. What is this? This is flat or round. This Rubik cube is a flat object. Okay, so that object is flat or round. That is flat object. So what you write here? Flat. The object is flat. Next question. Now fill the sides. How many sides it has? Okay. See this picture. Okay. How many sides? So cube. So cube means we know already. So cube has how many sides? 6 sides. The Rubik cube is a shape of a cube. So cube means how many sides? A cube has 6 sides. Okay. Next question. Are the sides are equal? Say yes or no. Teacher asked the question. Are the sides are equal? Say yes or no. See this one. Yes. This cube means all the sides are equal. Okay. So are the sides are equal? Say yes or no means what you say? Yes. Okay. So here write yes. Next question. Can you guess the shape of the object now? Okay, what is this object? It is look like a what? We can easily say the answer. So what is this shape? Cube. So student said the answer. It is shape is what? Its shape is cube shape. Okay, so what you write here? Cube. C-U-B-E, cube. Its shape is cube. Okay, ma'am. That's all the conversation. In the same way also, on this table we have lot of items. Okay, so what we do, we touch the items. After we can say the object shape. Okay, ma'am. So finally, what do you observe from this conversation? First, you fold your eyes. Okay, after touch the objects, that is flat object or round object, everything you feel it after you say the answer. Okay, here lot of objects available, and also say the shapes, that is cube, cuboid, sphere, like that you say the shapes. Okay, for example here book. Okay, so this take this book, after you touch means it is what? Flat or round object? It is flat object. After what is this shape? It is a look like what? Cuboid. Okay, so in the same way also here lot of items available. That one touch the surface after you say the object's shape. Okay. Okay, see the next topic more. Tracing curved line. Okay, now we can trace the curved line using the objects. Okay, see first one. Keep a bangle on a paper and trace it outline. Take one bangle. Okay, after you trace the outline means you will get what line? Curved line. Next, trace outline of your fingers. Okay, use your fingers after you trace the outline of your fingers. Okay, likewise you trace means you will get what? Some curved line. Okay, this finger shape is what? Curved line, not straight line. This is curved line. See the next topic. Join the dots and form the shapes. Okay, you have some dotted lines here. Here these dotted lines join means you will get one circle. So it is a curved line. Next, see this flowers here. These dotted lines join means we will get the flowers. Okay, so it is also curved line. So properly do these works. Next topic, tracing straight lines. Okay, now we can trace the straight lines using some object. Seema, run a pencil along the box to draw the outline of the shape. Okay, take one box and trace the outline. Okay, so outline trace means we will get what? Straight line. What is this line? Straight line. Okay, next step, take a ruler and run a pencil along its sides to get its shape. Okay, see, ruler means what? It is a scale. Okay, mom. Again one name scale. Again one name is ruler. Okay, take a ruler and run a pencil along its sides to get its shape. Okay, so trace the outline means we will get what? What is this shape? What is this line? Straight line. Okay, mom. So these activities also you practice in your house. See the next practice sums. Using a ruler, draw straight line path to help the frog to have his food. Okay, see here one frog available and its food also here available. Okay, now what you do? We can draw the path. Okay, what is that? Using straight lines. Okay, for example, see here, draw the straight lines. After here, after likewise we go means it reach its food. Okay, we have many ways. See, use this way. Okay, here go means, okay, in this path use means also this frog reach its food. Okay, see the next topic now. Draw the outline of the river and cloud using appropriate color pencil. Okay, here what you do? Draw the outline. Okay, this edge we want to give the color. Okay, so using sky blue color here. In the same way also, right hand side also draw this outline, and this cloud also we can draw the outline using the color pencil. So what color you can use? Sky blue color use. In this cloud also you can use the sky blue color. So only you can draw the outlines. Okay. Next one, pleasure time. Tick the lines found in the alphabets and numerals. Numerals means what, ma? Numbers. Okay. See, in this column we have the alphabets and numbers. Next, horizontal line, vertical line, slanting line, curved line. Okay. See, for example, first letter A. Okay, first alphabet is A. See, this one small, so I am writing here. See, A. Okay. So in A we have one slanting line, again one slanting line. So two slanting lines after one horizontal line. Okay, so in A we have the horizontal line, so put a tick mark. Next, vertical line available. So this is vertical line. So vertical line available? No. So put dash. Next, slanting line available? Yes, we have the two slanting lines. So put a tick mark here. Next, curved line available? No. So put a dash. Okay, ma'am. Next, see the letter B. Okay, in B we have one vertical line. After remaining everything is the curved line. Okay, so horizontal line not available. Vertical line available. So put a tick mark. Next, slanting line dash. Next, curved line. We have the curved line. Okay, yeah. So put a tick mark here. Next one, R. Next letter is R. So in R we have one vertical line. After, what is this? This is curved line. After, slanting line. So three lines are available. So one vertical line. So horizontal line put dash. Vertical line, one vertical line. Next, slanting line. We have the slanting line. So put a tick mark, and curved line also available. So here also put the tick mark. Next, see the C letter. Okay, C. It is fully curved line. So everything you put the dash. After curved line put a tick mark. Next, see the H. Okay, one vertical line, again one vertical line, one horizontal line. So horizontal line available and vertical line also available. There is no slanting line and curved line. So put the dash. Next, in I has how many lines? Only one vertical line. So everything put dash. Vertical line only put tick mark. Okay. Next, in J, see, J has one vertical line after one curved line. Okay, yeah. So horizontal line dash, only one vertical line. So put a tick mark. Next is slanting line, dash, and curved line, put a tick mark. Next, see the alphabet K. Okay, in K we have one vertical line. After this one slanting line, this one slanting line. So horizontal line available or no? So vertical line available. So put tick mark. Next is slanting line, put tick mark. Next curved line, dash. Okay. Next see the number. Okay, remaining everything is number. Okay, numerals. In 0 we have what line ma? This is curved line. So horizontal line no. Vertical line also no. There is no slanting line. So curved line available. So put tick mark. In 3 see this number 3. Okay, so 3 means everything is what? Curved lines. So there is no horizontal line. There is no vertical line. There is no slanting line. Only it has curved line. So put tick mark. Next C5 mark. Carefully listen. See this 5. One horizontal line. Next is C1 slanting line. After one curved line. See one horizontal line, one slanting line. After curved lines. Okay. So horizontal line available. Vertical line. There is no vertical line and one slanting line available and curved line also available. So put a tick mark. Okay. Next, see this 6 number. Next number is a 6. Okay. So 6 means everything is what? Curved lines. So all the dashes you put, all the boxes you put the dash. 6 means what? Curved line. So put a tick mark. Next see ma. Next number is 7. See this 7 carefully watch. This is horizontal line and this is slanting line. Okay, so 7 means one horizontal line available. There is no vertical line, so put dash. Okay, slanting line available, so put tick mark, and there is no curved line, so dash. Okay, see this column properly you put the tick mark and dash. Okay, see, observe these numbers and alphabets. After carefully write the answers in your book. See the next topic ma, identification of objects by observing the shadows. Okay, what is meant by shadows? Nilal. Look at the shadow of the girl in various position. Okay, she is doing lot of activities. Okay, first see this position. Okay, in her position also we will get the same what? Shadow. Okay. See her position and see this shadow, two also same. Okay, so in the same way also everything she is turning, that shadow also same position. Okay, see this position and shadow also same position. Okay ma. See the next one. For your practice, circle the correct shadow of the given objects. See the first picture, one full watermelon, after one quarter watermelon. Okay, yeah. Okay, see this position and match the shadow. See first one, second one, third one. Okay, see second one, this piece is upside. Okay, so this is wrong. Third one also, this piece is very small. So this is also wrong. So correct position is this shadow. Okay, so these two also matching. So put a tick mark or circle the correct shadow. So you put a circle mark. Okay, mom. Next, see these fruits. Okay, see the first shadow. Two also parallel. That means near. But here see one is down, one is up. So this is wrong. Next, see this third one. Two also join and giving. Okay. So this is also wrong, and in these two fruits we have some gap. So see this shadow, we have the some gap and so two also parallel. Okay ma. So what is the answer? Second one. So put a tick mark. Okay, or put a circle mark. Next, third picture is a parrot. See this parrot ma. Okay, so we want to compare the wings. Okay, first one, second one, third one. See these wings, one is down and again one is up. But here this one different, so leave it. Next, see these wings, one is down, again one is up, so two also matching. But see this mouth, here we have the gap, but here we don't have gap, so this one also wrong. So which one is the perfect picture? First one. Okay, so wings are same and this nose also same. Okay, yeah, so we put the circle mark here. Okay, next one is the tiger picture. Okay, see the young one of the tiger. Now we want to compare the tails. Okay, so this one, see this tail and see this tail, two also not match, so leave it first one. And the second one, see mom, okay, these tails are matching, but see the ears. Okay, this one what, some ellipse type available, but here see circle type. Okay, yeah, so this one wrong. Next, see the third picture, so this two also perfect match. Okay, tails are matching and this ears also matching, so which one is the correct answer? Last one. Okay, so this shadow is this one. Okay ma, so in the same way also you compare the real picture and the shadow after you put the circle mark. Okay, in your book also you perfectly put the circle mark. Okay ma, thank you. Next class we will see.